Hi, friend. Peace to you. Shalom from the Almighty. Do you ever get that sinking feeling? That tossing and turning inside of you that makes you sick to your stomach? Don't go down like that. You see, ships don't sink because of the water around them. They sink because of what gets into them. So don't give up and sink into the darkness. When the storm blows and you get a leak, fix it. It may be a little leak or it may be a big one. Call on the name of the Almighty, the one who can calm the seas, the one who parts the waters, and praise Him with Jubilee. Hey y'all, we found Jubilee sitting dead on top of another wreck in about 5 feet of water. I mean, what are the chances of one wreck landing right on top of another one? We had just splashed down at Barber Marina after 8 months of remodels, rebuilds, refits, and repairs, and we needed some R&R. We anchored at Ingram Bayou in Alberta, Alabama for the weekend to explore some shipwrecks that we saw on Google Maps and check all of Dead Reckoning's systems. This old girl here had been stripped and someone had given up on their baby. What a shame. Hey girl, what you doing? Yeah, what we found is a broken vessel. You know, we're all broken vessels, but we don't have to go down like this. Just keep all the bad stuff outside, because if it stays in for too long, it'll weigh you down, and it will take you to the bottom. So stop that leak, and don't let that mess get in. And when it does, don't wait. Don't hesitate. Get it out right then, as fast as you can. Goodbye, Jubilee. Peace to you, friend. Y'all, we found some beautiful oysters just off of the beach, and we couldn't resist. So we picked up about 3 dozen of the biggest ones and went back to the boat for some fresh raw oysters. Y'all, they were amazing. They were as fresh and as clean as you can eat. Here's to living on the water.
And daily adventures to follow.
Amen.
So good.
So fresh.
So salty. So fresh and so clean.
Our next wreck was about 500 yards further in the bayou. An old rusty barge had washed up years ago. It was way too dangerous to get on. But apparently, the local oyster population had homesteaded this thing. While we were on the barge, some cruisers from Mississippi told us about an eagle's nest and another sunk sailboat at the end of the slough. Of course, we had to explore that and see what it was about. But just look at all those happy little oysters in there. What in the world does MIM mean? Yeah, we couldn't figure it out either. The eagle's nest is right there. Like, who in the world would climb a pine tree that tall to put up MIM 150 feet away from the nest? But hey, check out this mast. This sailboat was sunk straight down in about 10 feet of water. Our mast was sticking up straight about 25 feet out of the water. You could see her deck about 3 or 4 feet just underneath the surface of the water. Just want to remind y'all, it may be just a little leak or a big one, but stop the leak quickly and call on the name of the Almighty, the one who calms the seas and the one who parts the waters, and praise him with jubilee, for he is mighty to save. Do you know where you are in the world? Find you, and then there you are. Our God waits for you, my friend. I hope you have a great day. This is Sailing Dead Reckoning.